EcoSport offers available blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert, which uses radar to monitor your surroundings and can alert you to objects you might not otherwise see. When slowly backing up, cross-traffic alert can scan for objects and provide an audible signal while illuminating an indicator on the corresponding mirror if it detects an approaching vehicle. The message center will also display an alert with the direction of oncoming traffic. When driving, blind spot information system can alert you to vehicles in your blind spot by illuminating an indicator on the appropriate side view mirror. When you activate the turn signal to merge into another lane, the indicator will begin flashing if a vehicle is detected in the blind spot of the lane you're entering. Increase awareness of your surroundings using blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert. EcoSport with auto start-stop technology can help reduce emissions and fuel consumption during city driving. When EcoSport comes to a complete stop, the engine will automatically shut off. Once the driver releases the brake pedal, the engine will seamlessly restart with no impact on the driving experience. EcoSport makes maintaining control easy in adverse driving conditions thanks to Advanced Track with roll stability control. The Advanced Track system uses sensors to monitor vehicle traction, while roll stability control monitors the vehicle's roll rate. Together, they can help you maintain control when driving in adverse road conditions, such as ice, gravel, or rain. If you take a corner too quickly or swerve to avoid an object, the system will apply brake pressure and reduce engine power. It will also activate when it detects understeer, oversteer, or roll motion to help you maintain control. Hill Start Assist helps keep EcoSport from rolling backward or forward on hills and slopes. If you stop on a hill, EcoSport will automatically engage Hill Start Assist to maintain brake pressure while you transition from brake pedal to accelerator. Your EcoSport will stay in place until you begin to accelerate, then automatically releases the brake pressure.